workshop was about post-budget analysis, looking at the contribution of mining to the fiscus, and also the allocation, the budgetary allocation to mining in terms of exploration, in terms of value addition and beneficiation. We also looked at the impacts of mining on the communities where the mining is taking place, and whether our national budgets are speaking to the cries that the communities are making. It is now almost a national consensus that mining is not benefiting the nation. In spite of the figures that the Minister of Finance is giving, in the communities where the mining is taking place, there is stinking poverty. We are also looking at the externalized cost of mining, like the environmental catastrophe that is happening in the country, all over the country. We are asking the questions: what is the cost? What is the environmental cost of mining? And is it factored in the national budget that Mtuli talks about? Is he accounting for the rivers? Is he accounting for the mountains that are disappearing? Is he accounting for the social disruption to social life, the pollution that is happening because of mining? So all these things needs to be factored in. Even when we talk about the 12 billion mining economy, we must also add the social cost. What is the cost of the displacement of families from their homes? So we need to do our mathematics right, so that we don't just flight figures, but which are not backed by practical action on the ground. And I think people also talked about service delivery, how mining is contributing to health, our hospitals, our education, our livelihoods, infrastructure development. These are what the people are asking. That's what also CSOs must ask when we come closer to the government. We need to ask these hard questions to say, can you tell us how mining is contributing to the well-being of the ordinary Zimbabweans? How mining is developing the communities where the natural resources are coming from? We want to see Mtoko developing because of its black granite. We want to see places like Marange, the Midlands, Rishawani, Shurubi. We want to see development where government can say, this is what we have done with the revenues that we are getting from chrome, platinum, diamonds, black granite, gold, everything that Zimbabwe is exporting.